What's up everyone, FGtech tips here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be looking at a couple of interesting products I got from Ecolor. We can see here I have this compact camping lantern and also this moon-shaped table lamp. Both products are obviously smart, as we will see, so they can be easily controlled via smartphone. They are made of RGB LEDs, therefore we have tons of customizations possible in terms of pattern, color, and also effects and so on. You can get both of these products on Amazon. This table lamp is currently at $35 in the wired version that we are going to be looking at today, or $50 in case you want the portable wireless version. While this egg camping lamp, which is wireless, can be currently found for $30. I'll leave the links below as usual for you all, but now I will proceed with a quick unboxing of both products and we have then a closer look to both of them. So follow me in this review.
And here we can see my package directly from Amazon. Inside it we can see we have both the Ecolor smart table lamp and the LED camping lantern. We will have a look at the smart table lamp later on in this video, but for now let's just focus on the LED camping lantern. It's basically an ARGB egg-shaped light. We can see it's dimmable from 0% to 100%. The model number is E5A01. We have DIY scenes and the music sync mode. So let's open it and see what's in the box. We see we have the portable LED lantern, a rope buckle, a micro USB cable for charging it, and a small user manual. Closer look. We will be placing the buckle in this location here. We see here we have a transparent power button, while this is the microphone for the music mode color sync, and then we have the micro USB charging port with a plastic waterproof stopper. The device has a 3000 mAh battery and it's IP65 waterproof, so it is perfect for example for trips or for using it at the beach and basically for any condition. Could be also good as a night light for example, but in the case you will probably have to lower down the brightness at 10% or a bit less, since this device is extremely bright. It's made of polycarbonate and we can see how compact it is. In fact it just measures 16.3 by 7.7 centimeters and it weighs just 310 grams. In the manual we can read this device offers Bluetooth 5 connectivity and up to 164 feet of wireless range. As we can also read from the manual, for turning the device on or off, you just need to long press the power button for 3 seconds. As you see. Then once it's on, if you press it once, you can cycle between the various modes you saved in My Colors. You can see them in the app. And with the double click of the power button you can cycle between 30, 70 or 100% of brightness, as you can probably recognize from what I'm showing here. I downloaded the Ecolor Life app on my Android device and the setup was super easy. You just turn on the Bluetooth connection on your smartphone, then you launch the app and click on the plus for adding the E5A01 device, which should be available on the top left corner, and then you're ready to go. As you see, as soon as I assign a new color, this gets immediately received by the lantern with zero delay. At the bottom you also have a useful saturation slider and one for color hue, while at the top we have the dimmer slider from 1% to 100%. Apart from custom colors, we also have segment for customizing the color of the single beads. These little eggs consist of 42 built-in chips and a total of 126 light beads. Each chip is representing a color. You can do a precise customization of the egg color thanks to the 42 beads independently controlled, as I'm showing in the app. Near the Colors tab we have a Scenes section. As you see from the app we have 18 different presets that we can try, each one of them for a specific situation. Music mode is also fun. It basically uses the integrated microphone for syncing the light, and as you can see it has an excellent sound sensitivity to ambient noises. What I found also useful is the My Color function, where you can save your custom shade of colors, so you have your own scene that you can recall anytime you like. If you give camera permissions to the app, you can also use the camera color function, where the device will be colored of the same color you select from your smartphone camera. I've been using the device for a day and the battery lasted for about 8 hours, which I think is absolutely incredible, and it took 3 hours for a full charge with the provided cable. I also used it on a rainy day and had no issues at all, so I can confirm it's splash proof, but I didn't immerse it in any liquid since it's an IP65 device and not an IP67, for example.
And that's, I think, everything for the first product, so let's have a look at the Ecolor Smart Table Lamp now.
As we can see, the box is much bigger than the portable lantern. As for the box contents, we have the usual small user's guide, the same micro USB cable we saw with the lantern, and then this moon-shaped table lamp. Along the front of the product we see we have these two buttons. One will be acting as a dimmer, the other one for switching through the My Colors preset that you set in the app. Along the back of the product we have this micro USB port, the microphone for the music mode, and an indicator light that shows when the device is on. A bit hidden at the top of the device we see also a power switch. In this case this is a touch button, and if you keep it pressed for 3 seconds the device will go in sleep mode. The touch button is also very sensitive, so it's very easy to have an unwanted press when you, for example, move the lamp. So pay attention to that. I think this lamp looks quite stylish, I like the shape, and I think it can be a perfect fit for your kids' room. This wired version measures 21 by 24 cm with 8 cm of thickness, and it weighs 700 grams. It can be combined with different colors at the same time, up to 5 colors. We have 16 million different colors and 18 scenes to choose from. Thanks to the integrated Bluetooth, you can also control it within 50 meters. It's capable of 500 lumens, and just like the lantern, you can control the brightness from 1% to 100%, and the color temperature from 2700K to 6000. I got the wired version, but there is also a portable wireless version with an integrated battery. As for the app, it's the same app we have already seen with the previous product, so the Ecolor Life. We just need to turn on the Bluetooth on our smartphone and press on the plus symbol. As you see, the product should be appearing on the top left of your smartphone screen. Once added it, you're ready to use it. We immediately see all the scenes we already saw in the previous product review, but now I counted 21 different scenes, while we had 18 displayed when connecting the portable lantern. Also here we have the color and the segment color sections. Now obviously we have much less color areas to customize. I won't go through the music mode as it's exactly the same of what we have already seen.
So we are at the end of the video. I hope you liked my review. If so, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, that would be much appreciated. I've anyway been using both of these products for more than a month now without any issues. They are both capable of an incredible brightness, especially the portable egg-shaped lantern, so bear in mind that if you want to use them as a night light, the brightness must be adjusted at the minimum, let's say around 10%. In my opinion, they're also both sold at an honest price, so if you're looking at something like this, I can only tell you I didn't have any issues so far, and only a positive experience overall. And that's really everything I have for you today. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.